Once again, very good morning to everyone. And first of all, I want to tell you, just you are thinking why we are going to start chapter number 6. We left chapter number 5. I hope that all you are well familiar about the chapters and themes are removed by CBSE. So the complete chapter number 5 is removed from your syllabus. You have not to appear, you have not to prepare this chapter number 5 for board examination. But that is very important. But you have to prepare all the map work from chapter number 5. Okay, student? Chapter number 5, that is the mineral and energy resources. Just you can see starting page number 50, mineral and energy resources. How many maps are given in this chapter? So first map, that is page number 54, important minerals. You have to sketch map and locate and label the center of iron ore fields, iron ore mines, manganese, bauxite and mica. Okay, thereafter move further. Next map, you have to make page number 59, that is cold field, coal mines, oil field, major natural gas reserve, HYG natural gas pipeline. Just you have to make in your notebook. Remember that. ये सारे मैप्स आपको नोटबुक में बनाने हैं. Move further on page number 61. That is the map power plants. There are two types of power plants in our country to manufacture electricity. That is first nuclear power plant and second one thermal power plant. Okay? ये भी आपको लोकेट एंड लेवल करने हैं अपने इंडिया के मैप पर. So these are the three maps very compulsory for map work. ये मैप वर्क आपको करना है. Chapter number 5 from geography. All the students you have to complete map work in your fair notebook. Okay, that is your compulsory task. Now move to chapter manufacturing industries. Chapter number 6. We will start from the general phenomenon or introduction of this chapter. That is, when we talk about the introduction, that is very simple questions we can imagine. So question, how many things just we look in our homes and house and whatever we are working, whatever you are going to get study in the schools and colleges, and where they are manufactured. ये कहाँ पर मैन्युफैक्चर किए जाते हैं? Whatever you are seeing, you are looking in your home, houses, also along with your school. And second question, just you are using a device, it means smartphone right now. Everyone is using to study online smartphone, Android phone. I can ask you, so where these are produced, where these are manufactured? आप जो फोन यूज कर रहे हैं ये कहां पर बनाया जाता है? Imagine that. And thereafter I want to ask you, what is the meaning of manufacturing? What is the importance of manufacturing? All these questions we will discuss in this chapter. So first, once again, I would like to ask you, whatever the things we are using in our everyday life, where they are manufactured, ये सारी चीजें कहां पर बनाई जाती हैं? Just you can enlist the things. So many things are kept in your houses, in your homes, in your places wherever you are working, in the place where you are studying, right? Like pen, books, notebooks, smartphones, electronic items, fridge, cooler, washing machine, transportation vehicles, car, bike, scooter, in your houses, air conditioner, fans, so many things. We can't count it. हम नहीं गिन सकते हैं कि हमारे घरों में कितनी चीजें रखी हुई हैं. और you can imagine just a minute. एक मिनट के लिए सोचिए कि whatever we see in the market, When we go to marketplace to purchase either the clothes, either any machinery, where they manufactured, वो सारी चीजें कहां पर बनाई जाती हैं? A very big question and very simple, because of in the modern age, you are the candidate, you are the human being of modern age. So whatever you look, that are the things are manufactured in industry. Either doesn't matter they are manufactured in the heavy industry or the large scale industry, but some of the things they are manufactured in small scale industries, even cottage industries. Even cottage industries. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि whatever we are looking, we are seeing every day that are manufactured in large scale industries. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि हर चीज एक बहुत बड़े कारखाने में बनाई जाती हो. So just I get a pause of 30 seconds. You can wait. I am seeing once again how many participants. Okay. So 58 participants. Okay. So very interesting chapter. Chapter is very interesting. What we are going to study. It means the question of these things. What I asked you. The things are manufactured where? So all these we are using in our everyday life. These are manufactured in manufacturing industries. ये सारी चीजें कहां पर बनाई जाती हैं? मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज में बनाई जाती हैं. फ्रॉम ए लिटिल टिनी पॉइंट टिनी डिवाइस लाइक अ निडल, एक छोटी सी निडल होती है, टिनी ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, वो भी इंडस्ट्री में बनाया जाता है. एंड फ्रॉम टू टिनी ऑब्जेक्ट टू ए लार्ज थिंग्स, एरोप्लेन, ट्रेन, ship, all these large items, large things are manufactured in industries, in manufacturing industries. और ये सब चीज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज में बनाई जाती है. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, just this is the imaginary clues we can start from your textbook on the occasion of Diwali. And so many times you visit marketplace on the festival of Diwali, either the festival of Eid ul-Fitr, Holi, and other festivals of Indians of any community, doesn't matter of Hindu. Muslim festival, Eid ul-Fitr, Eid. Hindu festival, Diwali, Holi. Christian festival, Christmas Day. Okay? So these are the festival. If you visit marketplace, you will watch so many things. You will look so many things. Just the marketplace or the shops and showrooms are over flooded from the different kinds of goods which are manufactured in industries, which are manufactured in manufacturing industries. So that is my first question. What is manufacturing industries? What is manufacturing industries? ये manufacturing industries क्या है? First I want to ask you only manufacturing. केवल the term manufacturing क्या होता है? Do you know? किसको कहते हैं manufacturing? Manufacturing is the process by which we can convert raw material into processing goods, valuable goods, even in final goods, but not necessary by completing one step, not necessary to complete or to final step or the final goods. So many items are there, so many things are there, so many steps are required to complete final goods. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं, हम एक स्टेप में उसको कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज द कॉटन. यू नो, कॉटन प्राइमरली वी गेट फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड. सबसे पहले ये कॉटन हमें कहां से मिलता है? एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड से मिलता है. Thereafter, by obtaining cotton, collecting cotton from the field area, just further processing for carding. It means इसकी धुनाई होती है. thereafter further processing, after spinning knitting किया जाता है, and after knitting next process that is stitching or dyeing. डाइंग वर्क किया जाता है, कलर किया जाता है, डाइंग इज नॉन कलर, एंड आफ्टर डाइंग स्टिचिंग, स्टिच किया जाता है. So these are the steps, not a single step. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Thereafter, we would be able to wear cloth on our body. Okay, but so many things that are processed only a single step we can convert into final goods. बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जिनको हम सिंगल स्टेप में फाइनल गुड में चेंज कर सकते हैं, एक बार में फाइनल गुड्स बन जाएगा. बट थिंग्स लाइक कॉटन, और कॉटन जैसी चीज जिसको हम फील्ड से कलेक्ट करते हैं, कॉटन की कार्डिंग करते हैं, फिर उसकी बुनाई बिनाई करते हैं, स्पिनिंग कताई करते हैं, उसके बाद में निटिंग बुनाई करते हैं. निटिंग आल्सो इज नॉन वीविंग, इसी को बुनाई करते हैं, फिर उसको कलर या डाई वर्क करते हैं, उसके बाद में स्टिचिंग करते हैं, और आफ्टर स्टिचिंग जस्ट इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ गारमेंट. उसके बाद में ये गारमेंट बन जाता है. देयर आफ्टर इट इज सोल्ड ऑन मार्केट प्लेस एज ए फॉर्म ऑफ गारमेंट. गारमेंट के फॉर्म में हम खरीदते हैं, देन we can wear it, तब हम इसको पहन सकते हैं. Not only the single cotton things, so many other things are there in the marketplace. You can visit, you can observe that they are processed to add value. Value add कर दी जाती है. How do we can add value? कॉटन को जब हमने कार्डिंग किया, अगर यहाँ पर 10 रुपीज पर केजी कॉस्ट है, it increased 15 kg. रुपीज 15 इसकी वैल्यू है. आफ्टर स्पिनिंग इसकी वैल्यू 100 हो गई. आफ्टर स्पिनिंग निटिंग जब करेंगे क्लॉथ बन जाएगा, फैब्रिक बन जाएगा. ऑल्सो इट वुड बी वैल्यू एडेड, वैल्यू एड हो जाएगी. देयर आफ्टर द वैल्यू ऑफ निटिंग पीस 200. ओके, एंड देयर आफ्टर वी विल कलर. Who is speaking? It is not good, students. You are speaking. Everyone, you can mute your voice. Okay. Okay. Continue. So just I am telling you how we can add value. हम इसमें value add कैसे कर सकते हैं? कैसे वैल्यू को ऐड करते हैं? इट मींस व्हेन वी परचेज रॉ मटेरियल इन आवर इंडस्ट्रीज एंड बाय यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, बाय यूजिंग मशीन, वी ऐड वैल्यू. फिर हम उसमें वैल्यू को ऐड कर देते हैं. द प्रोसेस इज नॉन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. ये प्रोसेस ही मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कहा जाता है. वंस अगेन आई रिपीट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. इट मींस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज द प्रोसेस from raw material to more value added goods is non-manufacturing. Raw material से हम उसमें value add कर देते हैं by using technology and machines. Thereafter, it would be non-manufacturing. It is non-manufacturing. इसको manufacturing कहा जाता है. Okay? So next question is that how much it is important? Because of before we start our chapter further, certainly we should know about how much it is important. Manufacturing is important for human. In what respect? In what way? कैसे ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है manufacturing. You know, whatever we are in modern age, whatever we are doing, whatever the living standard of human nowadays, in the present time, it is the result of manufacturing. You can see around us transportation, so many vehicles they are running on the roads, aeroplanes are flying in the sky, so many machines are processed and run in the factory or industries, and also we are using so many machines in our houses. How we are enabled to use these things? In what respect we just approach this living standard? इस लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड को आज हमने प्राप्त किया है कैसे? Just you are looking smart by wearing good garments, fine garments, beautiful garments. Everyone is wearing who is educated, either male or female. Just they are looking very smart. You are also very smart. All the students. Why? How? हम कैसे स्मार्ट हो गए? क्या इतने अच्छे कपड़े आज हम पहनते हैं, ब्यूटीफुल गारमेंट पहनते हैं? ये गारमेंट क्या हम अपने हाथों से बुनाई कर लेते हैं? मैनुअल हैंड से हम क्या काम कर लेते हैं? नो. So many times just I told the steps of manufacturing garment. Each and every step is required. Technology, machine, labor, and other required materials, raw material, electricity, manpower, water, land area, building, climate, moderate favorable climate. All these are things are required. I want to say finally, whatever we are nowadays, आज हम जो कुछ भी हैं, it is the result of manufacturing. ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का रिजल्ट है. Imagine just a 30 second. If there is no technology, there is no machine, what would be happen? We would be able to use all the things, all the materials, all the machines to make life of human easier. आज हम अपनी लाइफ को इजियर बनाने के लिए जो कुछ भी यूज करते हैं, ये सारी चीजें ना हो. जस्ट इमेजिन, ये सारी चीजें ना हो, आपकी लाइफ कैसी होगी? कैसी होगी आपकी लाइफ? Nowadays in the present era our life is very easier. So which enabled the life of human very easier. ये हमारी लाइफ को इजियर किसने बनाया है? इजियर हमारी लाइफ को, कंफर्टेबल लाइफ किसने बनाई है? मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज ने बनाई है. ये किसने बनाई है? मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज ने. डोंट फॉरगेट. सो हाउ मच इज इंपॉर्टेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज? ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है? यू नो, बट वी आर लैग बिहाइंड. We are much behind in manufacturing industries comparing in the developing countries. अगर हम developing countries की तुलना करते हैं, India is lag behind. India is much behind rather than the developed countries, European countries of the world. So this is necessary to increase, to establish industries in our country. हमारे देश में इंडस्ट्रीज को एस्टेब्लिश करने की नीड है, आज जरूरत है, इंपॉर्टेंस है. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू टेक्स्ट वी विल स्टडी द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. इंपॉर्टेंस की बात करते हैं. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन से मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज मेक अस, इट मींस already I told that our life is being comfortable day to day, year to year. It means modernization. Importance of manufacturing industries. Number first, modernization. Modernization. It means to be modernize the people, to be modernize the life of human in the present era, in the present time. आज हम मॉडर्न बन गए. We compare the ancient time. There was no technology, there was no machine equipment. Human just was wandering in search of food, to shelter, to stay, to spend their night in the forested area, in the caves of mountain. There was no machine, no technology, no equipment. It means so just it is reconnecting. Student, you can wait. It is reconnecting. Are you listening me? Hello? You are listening me? Hello everyone. Are you listening me? Reply. Juha Jakir. Anushka Verma. Are you listening me? Okay. So there is a little problem of network. Continue. Just I am telling the importance of manufacturing industries. Just I am telling the importance of manufacturing industries by the factor modernizing of people. Nowadays, just we are looking at modernized human. आज हम आधुनिक युग में जी रहे हैं, आधुनिक मानव हैं. So who enabled, which enabled us to be live in modern time with modernization? It means manufacturing industries. What is the modernization? Each and every work is done by equipment, machine, any device. Just we are reaching to the foreign country within few hours. Just we can use any device, any technology to manufacturing any goods or materials. This is modernization. Our looks and we are using clothes on our body. This is a part of modernization. We are using vehicles to move from one place to another place. This is modernization. We are using car, we are using bus, aeroplane, helicopter, bike, scooter. This is modernization. आज हमें मॉडर्नाइज बनाया है और किसने बनाया है? मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज ने बनाया है हमें मॉडर्नाइज. बिफोर इट, you know how much it is important manufacturing, because of the strength of economy of the country is coming from manufacturing industries. It means if the economic strength of country is measured by the development of manufacturing industry, we can measure the economic strength of the country. What is the per capita income of the person? What is the economy of the nation? All these things we can measure only by the establishment of industries, manufacturing industries. If any country has established so much industrial area, industrial region, industrial unit, factory, certainly country would be developed. देश रिच हो जाएगा, डेवलप्ड हो जाएगा. राइट. नेक्स्ट, you know, second one important, eradication of unemployment. Eradication of unemployment. Very important. Which enable to eradicate unemployment? Most of the people just they are wandering around the area in search of job. They are searching jobs and so many persons they got job, they got employment, and a lot of a huge population, huge proportion of population in our country दे आर नाउअडेज अनएम्प्लॉयड। आज भी लोग अनएम्प्लॉयड हैं। एक बहुत बड़ी संख्या हमारे देश में है अनएम्प्लॉयड पर्संस की। बट if the government of India and we are able to establish industry in our country, certainly we can provide the employment for unemployed persons. अगर हम इंडस्ट्री एस्टेब्लिश कर लेते हैं, कारखाने लगा लेते हैं, हम सबको नौकरियां बांटेंगे, हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट दे सकते हैं। So also the manufacturing industry is very important to eradicate unemployment. बेरोजगारी अगर हमें खत्म करनी है तो इंडस्ट्रीज लगाना पड़ेगा। Otherwise, if only we are depending on the government sector, public sector, we would not be able to get employment because of it can't provide in future generation. Rather than just we are preparing well-educated, skilled persons in our country, then the manufacturing industries, then the generation of job in public sector. Next, third very important factor for human to expand trade and commerce. Student, you can wait for 30 seconds. Okay, continue. So just we are going to start to expand trade and commerce. Very important to expand trade and commerce. You know how much the manufacturing industry is important for human. It can expand trade and commerce. In what way? Just you are thinking. In what way manufacturing industries can increase trade and commerce? ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री से कैसे बढ़ सकता है? वेरी सिंपल, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट इफ वी एस्टेब्लिश इंडस्ट्री। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी रिक्वायर्ड रॉ मटेरियल्स टू प्रोसेस टू एड वैल्यू फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आइटम्स, गुड्स, फाइनल गुड्स। If we are just bringing the raw materials, certainly we have to use a transport system. We have to use railways, highways, waterways. Okay? And after manufacturing any product, any goods, any items, we have to sell in the market to make access to human. लोगों को एक्सेस बनाने के लिए हमें इसको बेचना पड़ेगा। देयर आफ्टर वी वुड बी एबल टू गेट प्रॉफिट। उसके बाद हम कहीं प्रॉफिट ले पाएंगे। सपोज दैट यू हैव टू सपोज यू आर ट्रेडर, जस्ट यू आर वर्किंग इन द फील्ड ऑफ मार्केटिंग और यू आर सेलिंग द प्रोडक्ट एंड यू आर बाइंग द प्रोडक्ट, आइदर यू आर बायर और सेलर। इट इज द पार्ट ऑफ ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स। ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स make or enable the people, enable to increase the economy, enable to exchange the foreign currency. विश्व व्यापार से और व्यापार से करेंसी एक्सचेंज होती है। It is the medium to draw, to attract currency, to collect currency, to increase per capita income, to increase the economy of the nation. Very important factor to expand trade and commerce, which it would be enable only through manufacturing industries. आपकी कंट्री में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज है, then you would be able to increase trade and commerce, and trade and commerce provide employment for thousands of people. हजारों लोगों को रोजगार मिलता है जब आपके देश में व्यापार बढ़ेगा। और व्यापार कब बढ़ेगा? before it we have to increase the manufacturing industries, manufacturing unit. Thereafter we would be able to increase trade and commerce activities for everyone, and everyone can do in the service sector. You know, trade and commerce is the part of service sector. ट्रेड और कॉमर्स ये सर्विस सेक्टर का पार्ट होता है, राइट. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंस वी विल स्टडी व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज. अपग्रेड लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड. यू नो, इन व्हाट वे इट अपग्रेड लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ पीपल. ये हमारा अपग्रेड लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ पीपल. इन व्हाट, कैसे ये हमारा लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड बढ़ाता है?